Welcome back, my good people. Today, I want just to take you through some of the principles of insurance which are used in underwriting and during settlement of claims. And this is the whereby, due to these principles, this is why people say insurance ni wakora. Insurance are not wakoras. It's the slang name in my country, Kenya. They are not. It's only that you have not gone through their terms, which they do highlight the principles, but in a layman's man, because they are governed by the law. No, a friend is as good as insurance. So, allow me to take you through this. Number one, we have the principle of the utmost good faith. And this principle, which states that you have to disclose all material facts. And that's why you are given a form with some questions to fill and give all the material facts. Uh, at the same time, the law gives insurance a legal mandate to either terminate in case you disclose any condition or a condition appears during the period of the insurance, at the middle of the insurance, which you are not disclosed. So this one mistake which we tend to men tend to do, they hide some conditions, but these conditions are being asked so that the insurer or the insurance company can plan ahead. Also, at the same time, the same insurance, they can also underwrite according to the condition. And number two in my list is insurable interest. And while taking an insurance, maybe life insurance or property insurance, you have to have insurable interest. What is insurable interest? This is this is having some interest. You have a because in case of any loss, you you have to suffer some financial losses. In case of any, any effect or anything which might affect that insured, the insured, maybe it's your property or the life of the insured, it might affect you financially. That's causing some financial losses on yourself. Principle of proximate cause. As a underwriter is underwriting, he has to know the main cause of loss. What is that loss which is making him to get this cover? What are you predicting? So he has to check. Sometimes you find some insurances are compulsory, people take because they are compulsory, but you find there are losses attached to them. So that's why the insurer has to determine the loss which might be caused. For example, if you are insuring your employees against WIBA, we have to know their occupation. You see the main cause of any injuries. If you are insuring your property, we have to determine the location where the business is based so that we can determine whether it's prone to other causes. The same time, we have to determine the nature of the building. The other one is principle of sub, sub, subrogation. Subrogation, meaning this is a lingo. This is the cause. This is a which other party might have caused the loss. So if the insurance has honored the loss, but they realize that the other party caused the loss, they have the right to claim from the other party. This one applies mostly on motor vehicles. For example, you find that someone has hit your motor vehicle, but you are not in the same insurance, and you go to claim to your insurance, they repair, but they fall the other insurance so that they can recover that loss. Then number 5, the principle of indemnity. As we know, the nature of insurance is to put you in the state which you were before the loss. So we don't expect you, the principal does not expect you to claim more than what has been caused as the loss. So during claim, the insurer has to pay you to the maximum of that loss to put you in the current states. Then the principle of contribution. As we know, contribution is whereby we take a part of your belongings and another belongings, then we merge them together. So this means if you had two insurances, you have insured your property by two insurance. The two insurances have to contribute towards the loss, or if one insurance has paid the full amount and it realized that you had another insurance, it has legal right to go and claim part of that so that they can share equal amounts. Then the last one is principle of loss minimization. You have the right to minimize any loss which might be caused, or to also take caution to or steps to limit the loss. For example, if your vehicle has been involved on an accident, you can't leave your motor vehicle there and go. You have to make sure it's on secure ground or secure place so that you don't increase the loss. If the fire attacks your property, you can't leave the fire. You have to do your effort to minimize the loss. So guys, this is channel which is giving you a lot of education about insurance, because sometimes we know insurance by name, but we don't know what is inside it. like, follow for more, support the channel. Then also, if you want an insurance consultant, you are free to speak direct to us. Thank you.